In this video, we'll guide you how to create and manage polls. To begin, navigate to the Activity menu within the Roombr platform. Upon accessing the Activity menu, you click on the Polls tab where all created polls are listed. To create a new poll, click on the plus icon located within the Polls tab. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in the necessary details for the poll. Provide the question of the poll and choose the type of result you need. Roombr has yes or no, thumbs up or thumbs down, agree or disagree, and custom options. Choose one among them. The option will be displayed accordingly. After filling in the poll details, click on the Publish button. Next, you can set the due date, select the class, subject, and chapter to which the poll will be published. Next, choose the students to whom the polls will be assigned. You can select all students or specific students based on your preferences. Students can access the poll from the Roombr feed or the Activity menu, ensuring easy access to the assigned tasks. All created polls can be managed and monitored from the Polls tab within the Activity menu. Here, you can track the progress of the poll, view the submissions, and publish the poll result if required. You can edit the created poll by clicking on the More option menu. Additionally, you can reassign the same polls to any other class by selecting the Reassign option.